Hi, in this video I am going to demonstrate how you can create this jQuery effect. So let's start. Open your favorite code editor. I am using brackets. Go to File, New, press Ctrl S, select Web Files and give it a name. Save the file and first give the doc type. This is the standard doc type for HTML5. Then we are going to use HTML tag. Inside that, head. Inside head we can use title. After head we can give body, and inside body we are going to create 4 divs with class wrapper. These are the wrapper divs and this will contain 2 images. And the second image tag will have a class called front. Okay, so in the wrapper div we have our back image, and after that we have this black and white image version of the same image. Okay, and I'm going to copy this div 4 times and paste below, and I will just change the image sources. Okay, we have done with that. Now let's write some CSS. We can write our CSS inside this style tag, as we are not using any external style sheet for now. For the wrapper, I am going to give width and height of 300 pixel, which is the dimension of the image. I am going to give some margin and we are going to align horizontally, so float left. And for the image, oh, by the way, we are gonna need the position property. So the wrapper div will be positioned relative, and this image tag will be positioned in relation with the wrapper div. That means it will be positioned with respect to the wrapper div, so it will be positioned absolute. And from the wrapper div, the top value will be 0 pixel and the left value will be 0 pixel. So both the images will be positioned at the same place based on the wrapper div position. Okay. Now let's see the output. Now let's write the jQuery script, attach the jQuery library, and I'm gonna create another script tag, and here we will write our jQuery, and we start by writing dollar open close parenthesis semicolon function open close parenthesis open close curly brace, and this is like our onload event in JavaScript, and this function will execute once the full web page has been loaded properly. So we can rely on that. So what we are gonna do is, first we want to get the wrapper div, and we want to hover on it. This is the hover in function, and this is the hover out function. So for the hover in function, I'm gonna select this wrapper, and I'm gonna find its children with class front. Then I'm going to stop the current animation if it has any kind of animation at all. Then I'm going to animate, and inside this animate function we can give property value pairs separated by colons inside curly brace. So the first property should be top, and the value will be 300, and the second property I'm going to use is opacity, and the value I'm going to give is 0.1. that means it's very close to transparent, and over a period of 700 milliseconds this animation will take place. And in the hover out function, which is pretty similar, I'm going to grab this wrapper, then find the children with class front, stop the current animation, and animate once again, and this time the top value will be 0 as it is shifted to upwards, and the second property value will be back to 1, and this time I am giving a smaller value, 400 milliseconds. Let's see the output. Just refresh the page. We have just one issue. As you can see, I'm not sure whether you are able to see or not, that just below this colored image I can see the black and white version with semi-transparency here. So how we can fix that? We can fix that by giving overflow property to hidden. That means whatever is overflowing inside this wrapper div, we are going to clip off that. So let's see. Perfect. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next lecture.